Hi! We will be looking at a simple way to optimize the rendering algorithm for a world which isn't based on tiles. As you can see here, I have split up my screen, which is a representation of your entire world, into 4 rows and 6 columns. And each little segment then has a list of all the sprites within it. So the screen here moving around would represent a player moving around inside your world, and the little cyan or light blue stars would be the items in your world that are static in position but need to be rendered onto the screen. So right now we have 4 sections with some sprites in, and as you can see, some of them wouldn't need to be rendered. When I move around inside my game world, you can see different sections having their stars rendered. Each section has a list of what sprites are partly or wholly visible inside it. And as you can see, when I move around, sometimes I have 2, sometimes I have 4 or 6 sections of the world that are rendered. Right here, as you can see, I would actually only need to render 2 small stars top left corner of the player's screen. But since this is only a rough estimate, we're rendering a bit more, but still only, as you can see, top right corner, 26% of all the sprites in the game world. So you will have to fiddle around with how to subdivide your world. Do you want it rougher or with smaller sections? And inside the simulation you can do that using the scroll wheel, and scroll up and down, and then you'll get a finer or a rougher segmentation. And this way, using a very simple algorithm, you can get a lot better performance without rendering items that aren't visible in your game world. So that's it for now. Have a look at the code, download it, play around with it, make some fun and games. That's what it's all about.